Hey folks, Jay here. Welcome back to the Homestead. We are heading to a job site. You see over my left shoulder here? Yeah, we got the chipper loaded in the truck. You're not gonna believe. In the middle of the night last night, I'm like, we're headed to a tree job, sight unseen. The homeowner sent me some photos. I gave him a price. I asked, well, can you get any equipment back there? And they said, well, we've had a Mini X in the backyard before. And I said, well, how big is the gate? And they said the gate was big enough for the chipper, and the trees were taken down aren't exactly lumber trees. They're very flowery back. I think they're maples, but needless to say, let me show you overlay a clip of loading that into the trailer. There's about 2 inches of clearance total to get that thing in. So I didn't think it would fit. I didn't buy this trailer with the intention on putting the wood chipper in it, but it fits, it works. We got some ATV ramps. Hopefully there's a hill or something we can unload on. We're gonna drop off. We got we got the tag-alongs here. We got my 2 boys in the back seat. Say hi, Colton. We got my 2 boys in the back seat. We're gonna drop them off at my mother's house. We're gonna pick up Homestead Gym because the job's not far from them. And my son's gonna go see his cousins while we're down here. So it's gonna be a fun day, folks. We'll see you guys on the job site. We have no idea what I'm rolling into, but we brought everything. So we'll see you guys there. We're free. You got it? Yeah, I put it down. Folks, so we're here. We got the chipper set up. Say hi, Dad.
Hey everyone.
We recruited Dad to help. We have these 3 beautiful backyard here. We have these 3 trees to take down. They look a lot more scary than they are. We're gonna chip what we can. We have the pole saw as well. So basically I'm gonna cut. We're gonna start with this one. I'm gonna cut. We got the bucket underneath the chipper. We brought the cart. Dad can make runs with the cart to go dump the wood chips. So I think we'll have a pretty efficient setup here. So let's get the wood chipper started and be off. All right, how's everybody doing, folks? Thanks for tuning in. Pictures don't do justification to trees, and I know that, and I've learned that. The way the homeowner sent the photo, I'm like, oh, these aren't that bad. And then you get here and you're like, oh, a bunch of crotches, bunch of limbs, stuff that this chipper works all right. You really need like nice, clean, straight limbs. It's not the best, whatever. It's better than what I had. It's an upgrade from what I had. But yeah. Anyways, hope everybody's doing well. This is a pretty cool job. Different. You know, no climbing, no rigging, nothing, no, giant timber falling. This was kind of like just some backyard, small, brushy. These trees have been left untamed for the last so many years, so you can definitely tell. The first one, this wasn't too bad. This one was the smallest one. The next one was bigger, and then the third one, we ended up climbing up on the shed. It's pretty neat. So as you can see there, Dad just walked away with the cart. I was just staying busy dropping limbs for him. So we made some progress. Not a big deal. It was a good day. The weather's been beautiful here in New Hampshire. It's that nice, like, light sweatshirt weather. You can get away with a t-shirt, but it's comfortable in a sweatshirt, so can't complain at all. Yeah, hope everything is well. Things are going good. Traffic's picking back up on the channel. Definitely really gaining some experience with this whole tree job thing as far as pricing things out and calculating and what's it called here? Just kind of pricing things out. It's been working out good. So let's kind of overlay some music. Let's tune in and hope you guys enjoy. All right, Dad and I gave up on the bucket. He brought a wheelbarrow anyways and a shovel, so we've quite the pile of hay to pick up. Some wood there. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna clean up, get the chipper out of here, load the chipper, and then most of this is firewood. We'll cut this up small. Dad and I got the chipper back on. We back down the hill here, and we were able to use the ramps to get it back on, and we're just tossing the loose wood in the front here, and we got the core wood to go get now, but just wanted to show you that we got it, we got it back on. Actually turned into more good boiler wood than I thought. You'll see towards the end, we actually, with the chipper back in the trailer, we loaded quite a fair amount of wood, and this is all knotty, twisty, ugly. I would never make, you know, production firewood to sell out of this. This is perfect boiler wood, but this stuff will be pretty dense. Like I said, it's pretty gnarly, it's pretty twisted. It wouldn't be a pain in the butt to split, but it's going to be perfect as is for the boiler. But I think this was an edelberry or some type, I forget the term, but it had some berries on it. I don't think they were edible. I have no idea, but anyways, I thought it was a maple, but I could be wrong. Somebody in the comments is gonna know. Some weird species. I'm very primitive with my species knowledge. I mostly say it's a hardwood or it's a softwood. That's my classification. Pine is pine, whether it's red, white, hemlock, Doug fir, whatever. It's all good. So anyways, let's tune in. We're just about done here. We had a lot of cleanup, a lot of wheelbarrow work at the end. So let's tune in and watch. Well, I think that's just about it. 3 trees cut. They opened up their backyard. I said to the homeowner, that'd be a cool projection screen right there above the window. Have some seats out here. So let's show you. We're gonna start cleaning up. Like I showed you already, we got the chipper loaded. Dad's carting the big wood out there. We already got all the brush chipped. This is our bulk pile. Dad brought his wheelbarrow, so we're just hucking this. There's a rock wall there, so a little bit of transport time, but not a big deal. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just backyard triple, I think they're maples, triple maples or elderberries maybe. There's berries on them, so some type of berry. But all right, folks, thanks for watching. God bless. Let me know what you think. Like I always say, we will see you guys out in the woods. I think we're just about loaded. Chipper's buried in there. Some wood, branch wood, core wood. Good to roll, baby. Good to roll.